I think a lot of people have the perception that you're going to pay more for a tractor that's orange or a tractor for green. Is that really true?
So I'm not going to speak to green, but speaking for orange, I generally find no, it's not true, actually. In my opinion, is Kubota could absolutely get more money for their product than what they choose to. People would pay a premium for this product, but they generally don't ask for it. By and large, if you go through and you look at, say, manufacturer list pricing, most tractors in this space are actually surprisingly close to each other when you're comparing the apples to apples. And for whatever reason, Kubota has chosen to take the route of being very aggressively priced for the quality product that you're getting. So yeah, I just don't see that. You'll find all kinds of experiences out there. Different dealers could obviously swing pricing heavily one way or the other. We are a big part of the pricing equation too. A place like us sells a lot of volume, right? We survive on getting a lot of equipment out there in the field, and that relationship that we have with customers for parts and service and implements and those things over the long haul. So you'll see different dealer models and how they price their equipment. So you'll find all kinds of stories on the internet, all of which can be true, but coming from a guy who sits in this seat, when you're making an apples to apples comparison, you'll be really surprised how close in price tractors are to each other.